Tara, game, yes, game, yes. Welcome to my YouTube channel, yes, and my Facebook page. My name is Q Michael and from Batu Leyte. Don't forget to subscribe and follow and hit like the notification bell. Yes, syempre, dapat follow is okay. Searching tayo sa ating mga kasama. Tara, let's go. Go.
Taking course, full speed ahead.
Tara. Eto na, mga kasama natin. Kobe submarine kami, guys.
Flares ready.
Gusto na iba ko kasama. Okay, 5 lang pala kami. Game. Nasa kanto ako.
Heading right, 30 degrees.
Let's go. Ayan, ito tayo.
All crew is ready for
Bakbakan
repair.
agad to. Nice barko na to. Yes, guys, don't forget to subscribe and follow, ha. Ayan.
Enemy helicopter on the radar.
Warship Mobile, guys. Magandang laro to, guys. Napakaano talaga. Kung para sa akin, maganda talaga siya. Kasi itong mga mahilig kong paglaruan. Ay!
Warning, enemy helicopter
Let's
detected.
go. Tanggal natin yung music. Maingay masyado.
This is not a drill.
Music. Kasi music.
Target locked.
Ayun. Okay, resume. Ito na
Left
pala.
rudder full.
Ayun.
Captain, we've been detected by enemy radar.
Loading man. Hit yan.
Enemy contact is on fire, Commander.
Ito.
Battle stations. This is
Tara.
not a drill.
Torpedo.
Hull breached. Launch detection reporting. Full speed ahead.
Lukot ang aeroplano na to.
Torpedoes in the water. Open missile silo hatches. Prepare for launch.
You know.
Launch detected. 9 seconds to impact. Left turn.
Fire.
Open missile silo hatches. Prepare for launch. Hull breached. Helicopter down.
Nice.
Heading right.
Durog ka
30 degrees.
ngayon. Torpedo.
Enemy torpedo detected. Stand by to maneuver. Cannon ready
Sa
to
pool,
fire.
guys. 3,000 damage. Oh.
Damage in section 3.
Ano,
Missile strike.
balikan
Enemy
kita.
locked in. Launch detected.
Balikan kita.
9 seconds to impact.
Not today.
Vessel is under attack.
And fire.
Normal launch torpedo. Enemy missile on radar. Left.
Kunat
rudder.
ito. Upgraded.
Damage in section 3.
Upgraded
Enemy ship is
din to.
losing speed. They're flooding. Launch
Fire.
detection reporting. Lock and load. Missiles ready. Missile silo reporting.
Upgraded, oh.
Missile away.
Boom, durog.
Enemy ship is losing speed.
Durog
They're flooding.
siya.
Preparing for torpedo launch.
Okay.
Battle stations. This is not a drill.
Ito, torpedo.
Flares
Cruiser.
ready.
Ayan siya, tago ka pa.
Missile silo ready for launch. Receiving coordinates. Repair team is ready to
Tago ka
commence
pa.
work.
Huwag ka nang magtago, guys.
Open missile silo hatches. Prepare for launch.
Dayo.
Initiating missile strike.
Tinamaan pa rin siya, guys.
Port side turn.
Tinamaan pa rin siya. Fire.
Missile silo reporting. Missile away.
Tinamaan to.
Port side turn.
Sa pool pa rin, oh.
Missile silo ready for launch. Receiving coordinates.
Torpedo. Bagal, ah. Ayun siya. Bang. Ito, malapit eh.
Ship to the right.
Stride nyo na yan. Ito sa akin.
Lock and load. Missiles ready.
Wala na akong missile. Wala na akong internet.
Cannon systems armed and standing by.
Wala na akong internet pala.
Our location has been revealed.
Wala na akong internet, guys.
Battle stations, this is not a drill.
Ito, bridge pala. Ito, malapit, oh. Fire.
Missile strike. Enemy locked in.
Durog na siya. Ito.
Left.
Ito,
Left
maganda,
rudder.
malapit.
Preparing for torpedo launch.
Torpedo. Fire.
Takeoff completed.
Patatuwa.
Torpedo tubes open and ready.
Torpedo tubes open
Battle
and
stations,
already fire.
this is not a drill. Missile strike. Enemy locked in.
Durog siya, oh. Dalawa lang tumama. Dalawa lang.
Missiles armed and ready.
Missile already.
Missile silo reporting. Missile away. Preparing turret for shot.
Durog siya, guys. Ito. Ito naman.
Missile silo reporting. Missile away. Gun action. Deck gun standby.
Wala na akong torpedo. Durog to kung may torpedo ko.
Missiles armed and ready.
Fire.
Target in sight. Missile away.
8 minutes, ang tagal, ah.
Missiles armed and ready.
Hmm.
Reporting fire on enemy vessel.
8
We are
minutes din,
taking
no?
damage. Enemy
Nice
vessel
one.
has been destroyed.
Panalo tayo, guys. Complete. Okay. So, yun lang, guys. Thank you for watching, guys. Don't forget to subscribe. Bye.